Ramdev Agarwal joins us. Ramdev, thank you very much for joining us. Well, first and foremost, the markets itself, we are at the, cusp of 5,400. Do you think that this time around the markets are better poised to break this jinx of 5,400?
Yeah, the preparation for breaking out is happening. I would say that the monsoon is a very big event. And at least in Mumbai it has started off well, but the spread is not happening so far. But it's early days. I think in next 4 to 5 weeks we'll come to know how good is the progress of monsoon. That itself should be one of the kickers to the market, and because that will bring down inflation, and the macro situation will become a little better in terms of inflationary expectations and things like that. So. But the earnings growth expectations for the current year is also very high. So I would think that, I don't know when exactly it will break out, whether it will go again back to 5,000, 5,100 before breaking out finally from 5,400. It's very difficult to say, but conditions are becoming better.
Ramdev, afternoon. First of all, congratulations for the new fund launch. Can you tell us what this fund is about and how much you plan to garner from this first fund?
Yeah, this is the first fundamentally weighted Nifty index. This is called most 50 M50 shares. So the way it works is that we invest in 50 Nifty shares, and today Nifty is weighted completely on market cap based. But what we are attempting is that investors should be allocating the capital on a much more fundamental base than market cap based, and hence there is an active thinking in terms of how the stock should be getting allocation from the fund, but execution is completely passive, because when the undervaluation comes in the marketplace, what happens is it becomes very difficult for the fund manager to execute fully at that point of time. So the thinking is very active on a sound investing principles, but execution is completely passive when it comes to allocating the funds, and 100% of the fund is always invested in the 50 stocks of Nifty basket.
Oh, I don't know if this is possible, but would you therefore be able to, at least indicate an advantage you would have over the Nifty in terms of outperformance?
Yeah, see, 3 years back tested data from where the date on which in 2007 date on the from that date Nifty has been calibrated. This M50 has been calibrated vis-a-vis Nifty, and we have about 7% outperformance year on year over the Nifty. But how it will perform in the this year and the years ahead, that on a live data, that could be a very different thing. But last year's outperformance about 7%.
What about next few funds? Apart from this Nifty ETF fund, any more funds which you plan to launch over next 2 to 3 months?
No, I don't think we'll be launching many funds. We will definitely remain very focused and disciplined. Twin principle of being focused and being disciplined. It will not only apply to investing principles, but also in terms of number of funds we are going to launch. We'll do our homework. We work for almost a year to get this fund up and running. So I think we'll be very selective in what we launch. We have to do. I don't think we are going to launch many funds. We'll have very few funds.
Any internal target for the size of this fund then?
It's too early to talk about that. No, we are just keeping our fingers crossed, and we want to have a humble beginning.